The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches in recent years, with Samsung introducing several groundbreaking updates to its flagship lineup. As we approach the Unpacked event scheduled for January 22, leaks and reports have painted a detailed picture of what to expect, and it's safe to say that Samsung is pulling out all the stops. With a focus on performance, innovation, and user experience, a Galaxy S25 is setting new benchmarks that are sure to captivate tech enthusiasts worldwide. If you're considering an upgrade or just curious about the future of smartphones, this video will walk you through everything that makes the Galaxy S25 series so special. Stick around until the end. We promise there's more to discover than you might expect. Samsung has taken a bold step by eliminating the 8GB RAM variant for the Galaxy S25 base model. Starting with 12GB of RAM as the standard configuration, the device is on par with its Plus sibling, ensuring no compromise in multitasking and performance. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a strategic upgrade that ensures smoother performance, faster app switching, and better management of AI-driven features. Modern smartphones increasingly rely on AI for tasks like real-time image enhancement, predictive text, and language processing. With 12GB of RAM, the Galaxy S25 stands ready to handle these tasks seamlessly, creating a fluid and responsive user experience. Storage has also received a major boost. Samsung is doubling the base storage across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, starting at 256GB instead of 128GB. This change addresses one of the most common user frustrations, running out of space. Now, whether you're downloading high-resolution videos, capturing detailed photos, or installing multiple large apps, you won't feel constrained. This move also reduces the dependency on external storage solutions like microSD cards or cloud storage, which can be inconvenient or costly. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, marking a significant shift as Samsung moves away from its Exynos processors entirely for this generation. Built on TSMC's advanced 3-in fabrication process, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is a powerhouse. Early benchmarks suggest it outperforms Apple's 18 Pro chip, particularly in multi-core tasks, making it a formidable competitor. The custom Orion CPU cores and an upgraded Adreno GPU ensure that the Galaxy S25 excels in gaming, multitasking, and high-performance tasks. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the performance enhancements are sure to impress. But it's not just about raw power. The Galaxy S25 lineup offers something for everyone with its diverse range of sizes and designs. The base Galaxy S25 features a compact and easy-to-handle 6.16-inch screen, perfect for those who value portability. The S25 Plus, with its 6.66-inch display, strikes a balance between size and usability, while the S25 Ultra takes things to the next level with a massive 6.86-inch screen. The Ultra model also boasts a refined design with elegantly curved corners, giving it a sleek and premium look that's hard to ignore. This range ensures there's a device to match every preference, whether you prioritize portability or immersive screen real estate. Camera technology is another area where Samsung continues to excel. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are equipped with a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. These cameras, combined with the processing power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promise stunning photos and videos in a variety of conditions. For those who crave even more, the S25 Ultra pushes boundaries with its advanced imaging capabilities and a 200MP main sensor, ensuring professional-level photo quality. Whether you're a casual photographer or someone who loves capturing life's moments in exquisite detail, these cameras are built to impress. 2024 is shaping up to be a competitive year for flagship smartphones, with rivals like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra vying for attention. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a sleek 6.9-inch OLED display, impressive camera capabilities, and the powerful A18 Pro chip. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra impresses with its 200MP camera, integrated S Pen, and superior battery performance. However, with the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is clearly aiming to outshine the competition by offering the perfect blend of power, design, and innovation. As AI-powered features become increasingly important in smartphones, Samsung's upgrades to RAM, storage, and processing power ensure the Galaxy S25 series is future-ready. Imagine a smartphone that not only meets today's needs, but also anticipates the demands of tomorrow. From AI-enhanced photography to on-device language processing, the Galaxy S25 is designed to handle it all. These upgrades also make the device an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts, productivity users, and anyone who values a premium smartphone experience. If you're wondering whether it's worth waiting for the Galaxy S25 series, the answer is a resounding yes. With its combination of cutting-edge hardware, thoughtful design, and future-proof capabilities, this lineup is set to redefine what we expect from flagship smartphones. Samsung's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of these devices, from the smallest design details to the most significant performance upgrades. As we count down to the January 22 launch, excitement for the Galaxy S25 series continues to build. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a power user, or someone simply looking for the best smartphone experience, this is a lineup you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover additional details about these groundbreaking devices. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest in tech. Samsung is setting the stage for an incredible 2024, and the Galaxy S25 series is leading the charge.